mentoring is where I shine. When I was in IMM, we all had started this program called Paid Forward Program.
How will someone engage with you? They come and they say, "Ki, I want to do this 1 year MBA."
My idea when I started this was to spread awareness about the 1 year program. And one of my candidates, she was a 660 GMAT and she got into all the six colleges that she had worked with me.
How much do you charge people for these services?
Storytelling is my forte. I help them become good storytellers about the work that they have done.
You're presenting a product to the selection committee. So you joined City, and at the same time, you also started doing this 1 year MBA. We were counseling others how to get into a one
Oh
year MBA
yeah,
program, right?
so I forgot about that. So when I was in IMM, we all had started this program called Paid Forward Program. So we were not charging anything for it. It was just free of cost, and we just really publicized it on LinkedIn and our social media. If you're applying for an MBA and you want some career advice, or where are you in your GMAT journey, we'll help you, and which college to join, what's the process, and all of that. And I used to hold those sessions during my IIM Ahmedabad also, and we used to tell them, if you loved our session, you just donate this amount of money, how much ever you want to, some charitable organization of your choice. That's all we did. So we just like paying it forward, and we got alums to join it. It became really huge. That made me realize that mentoring is where I shine. And they used to love talking to me so much that they used to like, are you really having services? Like, can we sign up with you? And I had not even become an alum yet. Okay, so immediately when I graduated, I was like, I need to start doing this like formally. So I started with like half an hour sessions, but they all started asking for essay writing and resume drafting and interview preparation also. So I was like, let me formalize this. Then I built my website and got it built, named it the 1 year MBA, and that's how it started.
How many hours do you end up giving to the 1 year MBA
So
startup
it's a
of yours
seasonal
each week?
cycle, right? Like the admissions now, round one is just going to start. So I think I start taking serious candidates from May onwards. Hectic till December. Then again, Jan to May is like a lull period. People are preparing for the GMAT and still figuring out. So I just take my half an hour sessions with them. But yeah, May to December is when I sit and work with candidates for their interview process.
Okay, very nice, very nice. How will someone engage with you? Do they come and they say, "Ki, Bhavna, I want to do this 1 year MBA," and you have essay and resume writing, interview preparation, and MBA mentorship? You can tell them, look, you can get into these are the MBA programs. Maybe you can look at their career. Maybe you can look at their scores, and you can tell them, like, see, this is what you can target. So that's a lot of value because I can. When I wish I had that, when it would have
So
been life changing for me
I don't
because
know if you have gone through my
well,
LinkedIn profile or not, but most of my clients come through LinkedIn. I have tagged my website, on my
okay.
LinkedIn profile. A lot of my posts have gone viral, and so I had a lot of requests in the past year. I held a few workshops also, like what is the 1 year MBA program. My idea when I started this was to spread awareness about the 1 year programs. You know how exactly you guys didn't know, right? Like there is a
Sure.
5 year requirement to enter,
Yeah.
and there's a GMAT process. It's not an executive MBA, it's a full-time MBA where there are placements and you live on campus. So I did a lot of workshops, webinars for candidates who signed up with me for those. So that's primarily how I've been doing it.
Very nice. No, this is good job. This is very, 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 very good. How much do you charge people for these services? The
Oh my
services
god,
mentioned over
I
here.
don't want to say.
No, that's okay. If you don't want to say, you don't have to say it. Like, no,
Okay.
that's not
So I give packages, right? I give one school package, two school, three school, four school. I take it
okay.
up. There are people who signed up with me for six schools also because their GMAT was
Okay.
a 650 or a 660. Like they wanted I'm Ahmedabad, but it's quite improbable that you will get I'm Ahmedabad with that score, right? But one of my candidates, she was a 660 GMAT. She got into I'm Ahmedabad on the third round that she applied, and she got into all the six colleges that she had worked with me for.
So you're able to add that much value just in how you present the
Yeah,
candidate. It's like literally, you're presenting a product to the selection committee, and the selection
See,
committee needs to like
I've
the product.
realized one thing after giving so many interviews with the B schools, that all they're looking for are few basic things. They're looking for authenticity. You do not have to save millions of rupees. That every Tom, Dick, and Harry is doing in corporate nowadays. You don't have to build so much revenue. You have to show them what kind of person you are. How exactly you told me you're trying to understand me as a person. They are also trying to fit pieces of puzzle of who is Vikas or who is Manish. And the more stories you give them, storytelling is my forte. I Nobody does it better than me. Okay, I'm just going to be not even humble about it anymore. Okay, so I think storytelling is what I believe in, and what I tell all of my candidates, that you get this one skill and it'll help you throughout your life. So I help them become good storytellers about the work that they have done, not that they have done saved this much rupees, but the kind of impact that they had, and what that experience taught them and what they learned from it. I think that has been the key differentiator in my candidates so far, and I'm in touch with all of them after their MBA also.